Welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to enable pop-up notifications for Spaces on the X app. If you've ever joined a space or wanted to know the moment one goes live but found yourself missing the alert, this simple setting can make all the difference. By the end, you'll have pop-up notifications working, so you never miss out again. Let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is open up the Settings menu on your phone, not inside the X app, but directly in your device's main settings. Once you're there, look for the section labeled Apps. This is where you'll find all the applications installed on your phone. Next, scroll through the list until you see the X app. Go ahead and tap on it to open up its settings menu. Inside, you'll see several options, but the one we're focusing on is Notifications. This is where you can control exactly how X interacts with your phone's alert system. Once you're inside Notifications, tap on Notification Categories. This section breaks notifications down into different types so you can customize them individually. Among the list, you're going to look for Spaces. Tap on it, and you'll be taken to the notification settings specifically for live spaces. Now, here comes the key part. Find the toggle for Show as Pop-up. By default, it may be turned off, which is why you're missing those pop-up alerts. Simply switch it on, and from this point, whenever a space starts or relevant notifications are pushed, you'll see them appear as pop-up messages on your screen. That's it. With this quick adjustment, you'll no longer miss spaces that matter to you. Whenever someone you follow starts speaking or when there's a space you'd like to jump into, your phone will let you know immediately in a clear and direct way. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to share it with someone else who might be struggling with the same issue. Now you're all set to stay connected and join conversations in real time, right when they happen.